If Stremio used to work on your smart TV and now crashes, opens to no sources, or dies after the splash screen, treat it as a layer problem. Cache, clock, Real-Debrid, Addons, the APK, and the TV platform each fail differently. Before changing settings, isolate the layer. Open web.stremio.com on a phone or laptop on the same Wi-Fi and test the same title. Then test a second device with the same Stremio account. If you use Real-Debrid, check the account from a browser too. Start with the fastest fix. Force. Close Stremio, then clear cache only. Cache holds addon manifests. Data holds your account and addon setup. On Fire TV, use Manage Installed Applications. On Android TV and Google TV, use Settings, Apps, Stremio, Storage, Clear Cache. Next, check the TV clock. Stremio addons use HTTPS, and a clock that drifts more than 5 minutes can silently break the TLS handshake. Turn network-provided time back on, restart Stremio, and if your ISP blocks endpoints, test DNS with 1.1.1.1 or 8.8.8.8. If catalogs still return no sources, relink Real-Debrid from web.stremio.com, not from the TV app. Open the account page, authorize Real-Debrid again, then toggle each add-on off and back on. Token expiry is one of the most common reasons a TV works in February and shows no sources in May. If the app build is old or the sideload broke after a firmware update, refresh the APK from the official site only. Install the current Android TV or Fire TV build over the old one. That should keep the account and add-on list while replacing the broken install. Stremio Web is the universal fallback. If web works on your phone but the TV app does not, your account is probably fine, and the TV side install is the variable. Cast a browser tab to Chromecast, open a TV browser, or use Silk on Fire TV. Some platforms are simply fragile. Roku has no native Stremio app, so Roku fixes are really mirroring or HDMI device workarounds. LG webOS developer mode expires after 7 days. Samsung Tizen can revoke unsigned apps after firmware updates. Know when to stop. If cache, clock, Real-Debrid, add-ons and APK refresh are done, and Stremio Web works, the fastest permanent fix is a Fire TV stick or Chromecast on HDMI. If web fails too, the issue is account side. Sign out, reset add-ons, and re-add only what you use. The full cache, clock, Real-Debrid, APK, and platform checklist is on smarttvs.org.